Hi guys, hope you're doing well. I'm Mehdi from PLA channel and today we're going to visit the biggest military equipment museum of Iran, Islamic Revolution and Holy Defense in Tehran. This collection is right beside Bagh Honar, that is one of the greatest artistic cultural places in Iran. This place is built to show the military power and authority of Iran's country in memory of Iran's holy defense against the Iraq invasion. You can see different kind of military facilities such as tanks, helicopters, rocket launchers, and many vehicles that have been used about 40 years ago. If you like this kind of videos, subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified for more videos of Tehran and Iran sites. Comment me if you had any questions and thanks for staying with me.
میبینم